First of all, I want to thank the Crossroads Venture Group for having us here. I really appreciate the invitation. My name is Joe Grushkin, president of Max Exposure Social Media. Our corporate name is B2B Global Network. The reason why I explain that is there's two sides to our business. I'll explain that in a minute. We have the right product at the right time for the right market at the right price, and we have the right strategy to present social media to small businesses. What we do is we set up, manage, and maintain social media sites for small businesses. Now, it's a small market. There's only 25 million businesses in the United States. And of those 25 million, 22 million of them are zero employees, meaning the guy working in the truck or the family running the business. We're going to capitalize on that market by bringing them social media that they can't do themselves. We figured out we have elves who work up in a tree, and they do the posting, the content generation, the sourcing of the information that we post. And we keep that information flowing on a regular basis so that the customer doesn't have to do it themselves. The average person in America is spending 14.5 hours on social media. The average business owner spends 8 to 10 hours a week managing their own social media. So we found a way to do this, and we brought the price down to $7 a day for a business to have this service. Now, we also invented a patent-pending process that analyzes a business's social media and gives them a definitive grade on how the effectiveness of their social media. This process takes about 10 minutes to source through. It's a series of questions based on industry standards, and those questions will then spit out an index score, what we call a social media index, and that score will tell a business owner how well they're doing on social media or not. And then obviously we found that 95% of the businesses that we've surveyed so far have a failing grade, or less than 50% on this index score. As I said, we set up and manage ongoing relevant content for the customer. We manage their reputation, and we reply to any kind of post that's made, both positive and not so positive. We have competition monitoring. We give them reports and analytics. We have ongoing coaching and audience building techniques and tips that we provide. And our price is locked when a customer comes in for the life of the contract. So they never get a price increase going forward. See, doing it wrong is as bad as not doing it at all, as far as we're concerned. And we find that a lot of people are actually damaging their reputations online and not providing the right kind of social media to help them with their exposure. Our sales strategy is pretty straightforward. We have sales reps all over the country. They get 7.5% to 25% commission. We also have business builders who can recruit and train salespeople. We have a district manager opportunity where you can build an organization or have an equity-based business that you could actually sell at some point. We also offer reseller and sales partner opportunities. So let's see, I think that's it. If you have any questions, I'll be talking to you in the back of the room. I'm here with my two associates, Barry Moniz and Oleg Eshtin. I'm going to get it right someday. I've only been here for 2 years. And I want to thank you very much for your time. Have a great night.